This 5-minute solution will show you how to add follow button to Facebook page. First of all, launch your Facebook and sign into your account. Now we need to switch to the page. To do that, tap on menu at the bottom right and tap on this arrow icon next to your profile name. And now select the page you want to add follow button. Now open your Facebook page profile. Tap on this three dot, view as, and as you can see, currently here is no follow button. So to add follow button, tap on this three dot again and tap on add action button. Tap on edit button, and here in this list scroll down and search for follow. If you can't see the follow button here, then all you have to need, just you have to shake your phone like this and now we need to report a problem. So tap on report problem, and here I'm going to include complete logs and diagnostics. As you can see, here's a shortcut add date, and we can't see here the follow button. So here you have to type please add the follow button So here carefully describe that the follow button is not available for your Facebook page, and now all you have to need, just submit this report to Facebook, and that's how you'll be able to get the follow button here. Then all you have to need, once you get the follow button, select the follow button and you have to tap on save, and the follow button will be added to your Facebook page. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.